And welcome to my tutorial on how to add fractions. I know that you're you're having little difficulty in it, so as a good friend, I'm going to teach you. So, yeah, so let's get on with it. So right now the problem, as you can see, is 1 over 3 plus 1 half. Since they have different denominators, you have to make the denominators common. Now, how will you do that? You might ask, and I'll teach you. So first you would have to list the factors of every number. So 3 and 2, because you need to find a common denominator, least common denominator actually. Now, so then you would do 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 30. Let's just make it go up to, I'll just make it go up to the 10th multiple, and then you could go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Now that we have our factors, now we just have to find the lowest common ones. So as you can see, 3, 6, 9, 2, 4, 6. Now the sixth are the two lowest ones, so we'll just put a little loop around that. So now that we know what our lowest common multiple is, now it's just the time to actually make them into the common denominators. So now we would do 1/3 times whatever number makes 6. So 2 times 3 is 6, right? So we would do 2 times 2 over 2 equals 2 over 6. So that would be 2/6, and that would be our first fraction. Now, 1/2 times 3 over 3, because 2 times 3 is 6, equals to 3 over 6. So now that we have our two common denominators and the fractions have equal denominators, now we can add them. So 2 over 6 plus 3 over 6 equals 2. 2 plus 2 is 5, and then the denominators stay the same. So 2 plus 3 is 5, and 6, and the denominators are the same. So equals to 5 over 6. And that is our answer. So yeah, that's how you add fractions. And yeah, welcome back. So this is the other part. So now I have to subtract fractions. So yeah, I'll teach you that too. So it's pretty much the same thing. So the problem at hand is 4 over 6 minus 1 over 5. Now, it's pretty much the same thing as addition. You just have to subtract them. So again, we would find the same common denominator. So 6 and 5, right? So then we would, I will just list it up to 10. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. I forgot. Okay, and now for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. So now that we have all the multiples, now we can find the lowest common one. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30. So the lowest one is 30, so we'll just make a loop around that as we did earlier. So now that we know what the common denominator is, now we can multiply them and make the denominators common. So we would do 4 over 6 times whatever makes 30. So 5 over 5, because 6 times 5 is 30. And that would equal to, whoops, I am so sorry. I messed up on that. That's not 40. So, it would be 20 over 30. Okay. Did I do it right? Yeah, okay, cool. I got it. Now for the fifth. So 1 over 5 times 6 over 6 equals 2, because 5 times 6 is 30, equals to 6 over 30. So now that we know our common denominator, we can just go in and subtract them. So 20 over 30 minus 6 over 30 equals 2. So the denominator you don't have to do anything to, but the numerator you have to minus it. So 20 minus 6 is 14 over 30, because the denominator you don't do anything to it, and the 20 over 6 you subtract it, then 14 over 30. So yeah, that's how you subtract fractions. So this is my tutorial on how to add and subtract fractions. If you have any other questions, feel free to tap me on the shoulder at school and ask me. Be more than happy to help you. But yeah, so this is my tutorial, as I said earlier. Yeah, cool. Thank you. Bye. Have fun fractioning.